Hey there, fellow health explorers. Buckle up, because today we're taking a wild ride into the world of vegetable oils. Picture this. Oils that were once confined to industrial machines a mere century ago are now a part of our everyday diets. We're diving into the secrets behind these oils, how they impact our health, and why you should care. Get ready for an eye-opening journey that'll have you saying, wait, what? Oil evolution, from zero to hero. Back in the 1920s, oils were like the wallflowers of our diet, with just 0% of calories. Now, they're the life of the party, making up 7-8% of what we eat. How did this transformation happen? And is it good or a little fishy? We're on the case. The name game, seed oils versus vegetable oils. Remember when vegetable oils were rebellious seed oils? They went from being machinery pals to stars in the kitchen. It's all about branding, my friends. But are they as healthy as they sound? Spoiler alert. It's more complicated than you'd think. Soap makers turned cooking geniuses. Meet the masterminds of the kitchen revolution, William Proctor and James Gamble. Soap to seed oils, these guys flipped the script. And Crisco? It's the Cinderella story of how toxic waste turned into a cooking essential. Believe it or not, they've got a lot to answer for. Oil Transformation 101, the epic journey. Hold on to your spatulas, 'cause this ride gets wild. From seeds to sizzle, we're breaking down the steps. Heat, chemicals, and transformations galore. Think you know your oils? Get ready to be amazed. The love story between vegetable oils and hearts. Enter the American Heart Association, thanks to a big old donation. They threw their weight behind vegetable oils as heart heroes. But was it love at first sight or a marketing romance? Get ready to untangle this heart-healthy affair. The big heart debate. What Ansel Keys had to say. Ansel Keys had a theory linking fats and heart troubles. His study? Let's just say it played favorites. But what does this mean for our health and oils? It's a story of twists, turns, and a whole lot of question marks. Reality check. Oils in our health today. Fast forward to now. More seed oils, more health problems. Vegetable oils are often hydrogenated or partially hydrogenated to increase their shelf life and stability. This process turns them into trans fats, which are exceptionally harmful to our cardiovascular health. Trans fats can increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and even diabetes. It's like a health roller coaster. Many vegetable oils are highly processed using toxic chemicals, such as hexane, to extract the oil from the seeds. Residual amounts of these chemicals can end up in the final product, posing a significant risk to our well-being. Not only that, but vegetable oils are also high in omega-6 fatty acids, which, when consumed in excess, can lead to inflammation and various chronic diseases. Our modern diet already tends to be imbalanced in favor of omega-6 fatty acids, so adding more through cooking oils only worsens the problem. Could our oils be the culprits? Brace yourselves, 'cause we're diving into the murky waters of modern health. 8. Embrace the good stuff. Healthier alternatives. Ready for a tasty twist? Traditional fats like animal fats, olive oil, and more are back in the spotlight. Animal fats, such as tallow and lard, provide essential fatty acids and fat-soluble vitamins. They are a natural and nutritious choice. Coconut oil, with its rich flavor and high smoke point, is perfect for cooking at high temperatures. It's packed with medium-chain fatty acids that boost brain function and support weight loss. Olive oil, a staple of the Mediterranean diet, is known for its heart-healthy properties. It's loaded with antioxidants and healthy monounsaturated fats. Avocados, hailed as a superfood, are not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. They contain high levels of fiber, healthy fats, and essential vitamins. Macadamia nut oil is a lesser-known gem. It's rich in monounsaturated fats, phytosterols, and antioxidants, promoting heart health and reducing inflammation. Say goodbye to chemically extracted options and hello to good-for-you choices. Let's cook up a healthier storm. 9. The superhero move. Ditch the bad oils. As we wrap this up, it's time for action. Say, see ya, to seed oils and wave hello to better health. Swap out those inflammation-causing villains and embrace oils that'll keep you feeling amazing. Trust us, your body will thank you. In conclusion, it's time to decode the truth behind vegetable oils. They may seem innocent, but they hide an array of risks that can harm our health in the long run. Take control of what you put in your body and make informed choices. Thanks for watching our video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more eye-opening content about the food industry and how to make healthier choices. Stay informed and stay well.